In this video, I'm going to show you how to make blackberry cornbread muffins. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of fresh blackberries, 5 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 16-ounce container of light sour cream, a half a cup of sugar, 2 cups of self-rising white cornmeal, and a half a cup of melted butter. In a large bowl, mix together your cornmeal, salt, and sugar. Now in another bowl, whisk together your sour cream, butter, and eggs. Stir the 2 mixtures together just until they're combined. Now stir in the blackberries. Spray your muffin pan with nonstick cooking spray and then spoon the mixture in, filling each one about halfway up. Bake in an oven that's been preheated to 450 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're completely golden and they pass the fork test where you put the fork in the middle and it comes out clean. Cool down on a wire rack just for a couple of minutes before serving. This is a great cornbread for the summertime. If you do try to make this, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.